how to create scheduled tasks in Claude Code. So hey guys, welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll guide you through the exact steps on how you can schedule tasks using Claude Code. So in order to schedule tasks, the steps are fairly very easy. The first thing that we'll be going to do is simply launch our Claude Code on our Windows PowerShell as I have done right here. Now from a new command line, we will be simply typing in the following command, that is a forward slash, and then you can type in schedule. Now, as you can see, this is a system command which can be used to create, update, list, or run scheduled remote agents or trigger that execute a cron schedule. So now after typing in, simply hit the enter button and let Claude think about the same. And from here, you can design your own schedule or edit or manage the previously existing schedules. So let us wait for our Claude to respond, and then I will show you how you can create a new schedule or manage your existing schedules. So now you can see here we are in the schedule section, and it says that you will need to specify a repo URL manually or skip repos entirely or no MCP connectors connected at this much. So it actually tells you the status of your MCP connection or the Git repo if connected. So now from here we have these options. You can either create a schedule or you can view all of the schedules that you have. You can update them or run anyone now in order to test it. So we're going to create a new schedule. For that, we'll be either pressing 1 or go to the 1 option and we'll hit the enter button. Now let the Claude do its job, and as you can see, it is showing the token counts as well. And from here it will ask you what do you want your remote agent to do. So you can basically describe what the scheduler will actually do. So here are some of the pre planned things like code maintenance, monitoring, automated PR, custom task if you have something as well, or maybe you can add something else. So if you want to add a custom task, click on to this custom task if you would like that. So as I have chosen custom task, you can see that Claude is processing and getting ready to accept the custom task. So now it says, please describe your custom task. What should the remote agent do? Which GitHub URL should it work with? What action should it take? Or how often should it run? So let's say we will do a simply requirement that you can type in here. So maybe you can type in anything like print anything, or maybe connect your own repo with this particular custom task. So here you need not define anything technical. All you will need to do is simply type in the prompt as if what you would like to do for your scheduler. And once you will do this, Claude will help you set up the same and you can do the rest. So that was all for this tutorial. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.